everyone. How are you all? Good. I am good too. So yes, I have come back for another video, a very interesting video. But I was waiting for Akira. She hasn't come yet. Akira! Have you guys seen her? Have you guys seen anyone? Oh, there is a giraffe. A giraffe has come. But I can't see Akira. Oh, Akira is also there. Akira, say hello to everyone. Hello. And what? Today a giraffe has also come to study Abacus with us. Is it?
Yeah, I got something.
What?
It's a zebra.
Yes, friends. We have got so many friends today to study Abacus with us. So, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Shall we start? Yes, let's start it. We're going to start our Abacus revision, okay? We'll just quickly revise our Abacus counting with Akira and with you all. So, are you all ready? Are you all ready or not?
Yes.
Yes. Akira is ready and you guys are ready.
Yes.
Not yes. We are yes. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Good job, everyone. Very good, Akira. So, as we have done Abacus counting with Akira and with you all, now we will just quickly tell you the relation between the Abacus counting and to do it, how to understand it on the tool. Okay, we have already shown you in our previous video. Make one on the Abacus tool. What we used to do? We made, how did we make? One bead up on the Abacus tool. Yes. How about 2? 2 we make like this. That means 2 beads up on the Abacus tool. And how about 3? 3 beads up, 3 beads up, and 3 is this. How about 4? 4 beads up and 4 on your finger, 4 beads up on the Abacus tool. How about 5? How about 5? Yes, 5 means 4. Put all the 4 beads down and bring the 5 bead down on the value bar. That's it, is your 5. Thumbs up. How about 6? How we make 6? 6 like this. But how do we make 6? Yes, 6 is a smile. Stick. But how do we make a Abacus tool? Like this. What did we do? We make 5 down and 1 up with the index finger and this thumb. So 6. How about 7? Can you make 7? Clear the tool. Clear the tool. Who knows how to make 7? I don't know. Yes, 7. But about tool? How about tool? How do we make 7? Can you help me in this? I don't know. 2 beads? Good job. 2 beads up. This is 7, right? So 2 beads up and 1 5 bead, right? So 5 bead together. And what do we call it? Where is Akira? Akira, what do we call this? What do we call it? Pinch? Pinch-in. Yes, we make Akira gone again. Oh, yes, he's back. How about 8? How do we make 8? 8 is this. Can you make 8 for me? 8 like this. And how do we make it on tool? This. So 8, 3 beads up. Okay. And 1 5 bead down to the value bar. So that is the 8. Yes. And 9 means all the 4 bead and 5 bead together. Right? You have understood? And how is 10? 0 and 1. This is how we have done it. So everyone, so we are done with our chapter. And now we are going to say bye.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Like,
Share and subscribe.
subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.
Bye. Subscribe and like.
Like, share, subscribe.